Hi guys, this is Zan and you're watching Zen Tech and Learning, and today in this video guys I will tell you one trick so that you can create a bootable media in just 5 minutes. So how you are gonna do that? It's a very simple trick. You don't have to go to anywhere, like you don't need to go to any nearby technician and they charge like somewhere around 500 or 600 just for creating a bootable media. So this is a pen drive which I'm gonna use. This is the SanDisk pen drive, 16 gig of pen drive, but make sure you have at least either 8 gig or maybe 16 gig or 32 gig. That's fine. So first of all, what you have to do, you make sure you do not have anything inside this pen drive. If you have any data is stored inside this pen drive, make sure you have taken the backup of your data, or else you can just after taking the backup you can just wipe out from this pen drive, because once you will create this bootable media, what will happen, every data, whatever the data that you have, that will be totally wiped out from your pen drive. So how you are gonna do that? So let's go to the PC and let's discuss about it. Alright, so what you have to do after going to your PC, you have to just open your Microsoft Edge or either Google Chrome. You just have to go to your browser, and then after that you just have to type MCT. So it's a MCT. When you type just MCT, creation tool, and hit the enter, and you will see a couple of links. So you have to go to the first link, which is a download ISO image. Do you see that? So either one you can just follow it. So I'm just going to go with this ISO one. You have to just click on it. Once you click on it, you have to just download the media creation tool, which is here. So the first thing, it will help you to update your Microsoft Windows. But if you want to create just a bootable media, just a pen drive, so you have to go with the second link, which is a download media creation tool. So this tool is very useful. This is going to create the bootable media for you. So you just have to open it, and here we go. So there will be a pop-up. You have to just click on yes. Once you click on yes, then it will be just start running in your machine. So it might take like a couple of minutes, and after that it will be done. So it is just moving on. So alright guys, so it is going to take a little bit more time, so make sure you have enough time, because this processing might take a little bit more time. So right now it's loading, and so you will see this kind of term and condition. You have to click on accept. After that it will be just loading this page, and then it will give you just two options, like whether you want to create a bootable media or you just want to upgrade this PC. I will go with the second option, and then I'll click on next. So make sure you are following the same thing, and after doing this you will get this page. So here you have to just check this out, whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. Mine is 64-bit. How you can check that? You can check in the about section in your PC, and then you have to just go with this page. You have to select the first option, USB flash media, and then it will detect your USB flash media drive. You have to select that and then click on next. After doing this next, it will take like a couple of minutes. I just have fast forwarded this video, so that's why it is going that much faster. Otherwise you must you are gonna see like it is going to take very long time. So it might take like 25 minutes or the 30 minutes. That totally depends upon your internet speed. So after that you will see this pop-up, your USB flash drive is ready. You have to just click on finish. Once you click on finish, then it will just initialize the setup, and then it will be gone. So you have to close all the windows, and then let me show you up. So guys, you will be having this USB flash media, and this media is going to help you always whenever you have a Windows problem, like your Windows is not working. You just get this media, USB flash media. You have to connect to your PC, and then you can reload the operating system inside your machine. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up the video, and mention in the comment section if you have any concern, or you can also subscribe my channel so that you will get all your technical videos. If you have any suggestion, you can also mention in the comment section. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye.